Hey guys, it's the Basic DIY Guy with a quick video on a cheap upgrade that you can do in order to get exceptional results. And that is, you can tell from the title of this video, changing your reverse lights to LEDs. So right now you're just looking at a bunch of random things. I tried to get ahead of everything and I took all the screws and clips off of this particular vehicle to install the LEDs. This is not an installation video, it's more just a showing you the big difference between LEDs and halogen reverse lights. Again, really cheap upgrade, and it's fairly easy to make the different changes. Of course, it depends on the vehicle that you have. For this particular vehicle, the lights are attached to the trunk of the car. So some of them would have them directly, with the body, which is much easier. You can just access from the side. But here, it's quick, simple. Got two clips here. Got a clip there. A screw and a screw up there, and then you just got these two rivets that I took out, one right there and one is hidden somewhere here, but yeah, right there under that, and then the whole cover. Let me just try to get my lighting here. Yeah, I just want to do this at nighttime, obviously, just to get better results, but let me just get this stood up. Just take it down, and then it's all attached here. So, like I said, this main video, this is just to show you the difference. So, I will put in these LEDs. Link to all the LEDs that I do buy, and from previous videos that you saw, the LED upgrades, you'll find in the description below. This is my trunk. A lot of car stuff again. I'll make a lot of videos on. I do actually plan to make a video of what's in the trunk of my vehicle. That's a lot of it's stuff that helps you with the basic, fixes and quick maintenance that you can do on the fly. Again, the main purpose of this channel is to help you save money and do these basic maintenance and upgrades to your vehicle at a very low cost. So, upgrading these LEDs, you guys do know that LEDs are polar, specific. So you're gonna have to test it out. I'm here by myself, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually gonna get some wheel chocks and put them behind the wheels of the vehicle and set my parking brake. I do not recommend you do that. I would hope you could get someone to help you out, put the reverse and you in the back, check out if everything works out, but I'm alone and I'm willing to take the risk, so I'll do this alone. So I'll get the installation up and I'll show you the difference between the halogen and the LEDs, and I can show you the big difference, so stay tuned. So here it is, the difference between an LED and the halogen bulb. You can tell a big difference. It makes, look at that, from a distance you can tell it's great. Can't really tell from the video, but when it's actually on, it really illuminates the ground. I don't know if you could tell here, but you can tell the difference between the LEDs and halogens from a outsource of light that's being projected. So it's probably good for backing up in dark areas. But again, look at that, very, very clean looking, makes it look more modern. Any vehicle that you put this on, again, very cheap upgrade. I think these LEDs, high quality, 25 bucks, I believe. It took me 2 seconds to install it. Again, installation depends on what vehicle you have, but it's really, it's just like it changes like your other tail lights or headlights, again, straightforward. So I'll make the change on the right side and have straight LEDs. I'll show you how that one looks like. So yeah, stay tuned. So here it is, the final product. Both sides have the LED lights on. Looks great. Again, you can really tell a difference. I'm just going to turn the full lights on, tail lights. So this is how it looks even better in real life, or aside from looking at the cameras with your straight eyes, it's big difference. So again, very quick upgrade that you can do. Big difference, like I said at the beginning of this video. If you're doing this alone, just make sure you have some wheel chocks. It's kind of dark, but I got wheel chocks on both sides, got the parking brake set, and I'm on a very level surface. You can't really see, but wheel chocks on both sides. But I highly recommend having two people to do this so you can check that the lights are working. So thanks guys for watching, and like I said in many of my videos, please subscribe. I'll be uploading more videos more often now. There's a lot of, again, very tricks, basic stuff that you can do on your car, save money, and keep your car going for quite a while. So thanks guys for watching, and I hope to catch you guys in the next video.